Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 9 says 3x over 5 equals 10 plus 3x over 2. So I'm going to go through my 4-step process. Step 1, eliminate fractions by multiplying both sides by the least common denominator. I have two fractions and I have denominators of 5 and 2. So the least common denominator would be 10. That means I'm going to multiply both sides by 10. If you want, you can put a 10 next to every term, since multiplying both sides means multiplying every term. So again, I'm going to ask the question, 5 divides into 10 how many times? And the answer is 2. 2 times 3x is 6x on the left side. 10 times 10 is 100, plus 2 divides into 10 5 times. 5 times 3x is 15x. So that step is finished. Step 2 is simplify sides. Both the left side, 6x, and the right side, 100 plus 15x, are already simplified. So that step is complete. Step 3, I'm going to add opposites in order to isolate my variable terms on one side and my number terms on the other. Since I have a 6x on the left side, I'm going to choose to add negative 15x to both sides and eliminate the 15x on the right side so that all my variable terms are on the left side. So 6x and negative 15x is negative 9x on the left side. Positive 15x and negative 15x is 0. 0 plus 100 is 100. That step's complete, and my 4th step is to divide both sides by the coefficient on the variable term, which in this case is negative 9. So negative 9 divided by negative 9 is 1x, and on the right side, 100 divided by negative 9 is not a clean division, so I'm just going to express that fraction as 100 over negative 9. So x equals 100 over negative 9.